Hi, my name is Kiara from KDX Electronics. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and use your BatteryStore software through a simple test. First, we're going to open the BatteryStore software. We'll see it's connecting to the C5100. Okay, so now we'll be under the setup page. We need to select our target capacity. So for this, we're just going to keep it at the default 80%. Just as a side note, if your C5100, if a pop-up comes up saying that you're not connected to your C5100, you can just go to File, and then you would hit Connect. So for the battery test settings, we'll select, in this case, user specified ratings. Written on the battery, it says it is 3900 milliamp hours, so we enter that here. Then we just need to enter the manufacturer and model. In this case, it's the S7 Edge, Samsung. Then we'll go down to the voltage, and it's a drop down here, and we select the 3.85. Now you'll want to go to step 2 and hit the test button. Note it takes usually about 5 to 10 seconds for the test to actually begin. Okay, so about after 4 minutes, when your test is complete, we can take a look here under our test results. It says we have a good battery. For more information on how to use some of the functionalities of the software, please check out our user manual located on our link below. And that's how you set up and use the BatteryStore software. For more information, go to our website, feel free to leave a comment in our comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe.